Hello and welcome back to the channel. We're going to be working on the Porsche again today, but it's going to be a very short video because all I'm doing is changing a few bulbs out. Now the car's got little puddle lights in the bottoms of the mirrors. They're pretty hopeless. They don't really light up any of the ground at all. So I've bought some LED bulbs from Amazon, a couple of different types. So I'll try a couple of different ones out to try and work out what the best one is. And when I've worked out that best bulb, I'll stick it in the comments below so you can get yourself set of them if you want to change them. And then we'll get the mirrors out, we'll change those little bulbs over. They're quite straightforward, I'll show you how to do it. And then we'll do a comparison of the old bulbs versus the new ones, and you can make your mind up whether you think they're great or not. So let's get out to the car and get them changed. Right, in order to change that bulb in there, you've got to take the mirror out. This was really easy. I literally just put my fingers behind it, gave it a little pull, and it pops off of there. In order to get this bulb out of here, literally just pull this. Oh, there you go. Pull that thing, there's your bulb. Literally just grab that bulb and pull it. There it is. While I've got the mirrors out off the Cayenne, I'm going to test them to make sure the heating element works properly. So what I've done is I've hooked up those two terminals on the back of the heating element to a power supply, which is giving me 12 volts because that's what it takes to warm the mirror up. And I'll show you the difference in the warming. The bench itself is about 10 degrees. The mirror, 22.7. There's the effect of the warming. So that's how you test your heated mirror. Also on the back of this mirror is the electrochromic dimming, which is this wire here and this one here. What that does is that makes the mirror go dim. So if you look really carefully at sort of the edge here, you can see that very faint line around there. That's the edge of the dimming part. Obviously, if that wire there is detached, which it was on mine, this had just come completely off, it won't dim. So I glued it back on because it looked like it was glued on, but there's two little tiny contacts just there. Hopefully you can see that. They'd come off. And I think there's just a very fine layer of metal in there somehow, which I think maybe copper. You can just about see it there. So I just had a bit of a punt. It wasn't working, so I thought I can't break it. So I just got the soldering iron out and just heated them up and put a blob of solder on them. As you can see there by those two blobs of solder. And I tested it with a meter and I got continuity, whereas I had no continuity before. So I've now hooked it up to this power supply. I needed to be really, really low on the voltage here. So 0.9 of a volt, and I've locked the current 0.02 of an amp, because any more than that and you just fry these things and they're about 100 pounds, so you don't want to be doing that. So if I now turn this on and watch, hopefully you'll see that start to dim. I can just about see it here on the edge now. It is starting to go dim, so that fix has worked. There you go, you can probably see it a bit better now. So that is actually now dimming. Excuse my fingerprints all over it, but that's where I've been working on it. But now you can see that it's actually dimming. And before, that wire was completely detached from the mirror, so it wasn't working at all. And that is a fix. So that is how, if your wire comes off the back of your mirrors, you can fix them just by putting a tiny blob of solder on there. It's the outer two pins in this connector go to those two wires. Look at that. Bang on. Right, these are the bulbs I got off of Amazon. LED ones. We'll get it in now and see what it looks like. Well, that's it in. If I now unlock the car, you see it lights up. You've got to get these ones around the right way because they only work one way around. That's it back in place. Let's see what it looks like at night. Right, it's dark now, so let's see how good these lights are in the dark. Oh, that's much better. Let's just try the door, because I changed them as well. Jesus, that's much better. I'll give you an example of what the back door looks like in comparison. So there's the back door open. Right, so there's the comparison of back, which has got the old bulbs in it, and then front door, which has got those new Amazon LED bulbs in. I'll put a link in the comments so you can get a set for yourself. But they're a pretty straightforward and decent upgrade. No more stepping in puddles. Just do a quick comparison. Just the old one. Can't even see it. It is on. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.